In this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about Discord and how to get started using it. So essentially, Discord is a communication-based application, and it's going to allow you to chat to your friends and other people on this online server. So you can do video calls, you can share your screen, and you can also do text chats as well. Now, to get started using Discord, we first just need to head over to the website discord.com, and then you can scroll down this page and we'll have two different options. Now, you can either download the official application to your computer, or you can just open Discord in your web browser. Now, essentially, both of these are the same thing, so I'm actually just going to download the app onto my computer, and it's just going to make it easier to access in the future. So once you've downloaded this file, you can simply click on the installation. And now after a couple of seconds, this will install Discord onto your computer. Now, the very first thing we need to do is go and create a Discord account. So if you don't already have one of these, you can always press register at the bottom of this page, and then you can go through the steps here to create a free account. So you'll need to enter your email address, your display name, which is what other people will see on Discord. You also have your username, which is how you'll log into the app. And then finally, you'll need to enter a password and a date of birth. So once you've created your account, you will need to verify this using your email address, and if you haven't received an email, you can always press the resend email button at the top of this screen. Now, to begin using Discord, there's a few different features you need to be aware of. So in the left hand side, the first thing you want to do is come over to where it says add a server. So if you go ahead and click on this, you can go and create your own server on Discord. Now, servers are essentially different communities, and you can have your own servers, and you can also join other people's servers as well. Now, I'm not going to create my own server now, but just know that if you do want to create your own server, then this is how you go and do it. Now, the other thing we can do is on the left hand side, we can press discover, and this is where we can go and join other people's servers. So you can see that there's hundreds and thousands of Discord servers to go and join. You can use the search box at the top if you're looking for one particular community, and you can also filter this by different categories. Now, once you've found a server that you want to join, you can simply click on it like so, and then just press the join button at the top of this page. And just like that, you can see now we have joined this server. Now, you may need to go through some questions in order to actually join the server. And once you've joined a server, all of your servers will be in this left-hand side here. So you can quickly switch between your different servers just by selecting it in the left navigation. Now, once you're inside of a server, you'll see we also have all of these different text channels. So essentially, these are just different chat rooms and different categories within the server. So you can go ahead and click on any of these, and you can start interacting in that particular category or text channel. Now, in some Discord servers, you'll also find this icon with a kind of volume or speaker icon next to it. And these are essentially voice channels where you can go and use your microphone to communicate with other people. Now, before you can start using these voice channels, we first need to go and set up our Discord settings. So if you come down to user settings in the bottom left hand side. Now, like I said before, the first thing you need to do is make sure your email address is verified. And in the left navigation, we're going to scroll down to voice and video. Now, for the input device, you can click on the drop down arrow, and this is where you want to go and select your microphone. You can also click on the drop down arrow next to output, and you can select either your speakers or your headphones. So this is where you want the sound to be playing out from. You can then go and adjust the different input and output volumes, and you can also press the let's check button to make sure your microphone is actually working. You can then scroll down to input mode, and you can either set your microphone to open mic, which means your microphone is always going to be listened to and picked up, or you can set this to push to talk, and essentially you can go and assign a hotkey that you need to press in order to enable and activate your mic. Now, once you've set this up, we can just close out of the settings window. Now, another feature on Discord is direct and private messages. So if you click on direct messages in the top left hand side, this is where you can go and send private messages to your friends or to other people on Discord. You can also add friends to Discord just by typing out their username at the top here, and then you can go and press send friend request. Now, if you want to send your username to other people so people can go and add you, you can click on your username in the bottom left hand side, and you can just press this copy username icon, and this username is what people will need in order to go and add and invite you. Now, also from this window, you can go and change your activity status, so you can decide what you want people to see inside of the Discord servers. You can either set yourself to online, idle, do not disturb, or you can actually appear offline by selecting invisible. So that's basically basically the main settings you need to know about using Discord. Let me know in the comments below if you found this video helpful.